Hello everyone. So I would like to share with all of you a great news, a great opportunity. That is the mega job fair that is conducted on 2nd September, which is a Saturday from 10 a.m. onwards, which will be having around 100 corporates from various different fields, be it retail, IT, construction, and all kinds of jobs. Even if you are a 10th fail or a degree pass, you will have all sorts of opportunity available for you. The main documents that you need to have are at least your resume, a soft copy, preferably 10 pieces of hard copies because you'll have multiple interviews. And apart from that, you'll need a copy of your Aadhaar card. You'll need a copy of your degree certificate if you have, well and good. So this will be the documents. And also please come in formals. Please come well prepared, be confident. Job placements across 100 corporate different companies. So there are various different companies are available. 2nd September 2023 at Qadriya Masjid, 10 a.m. onwards. Looking forward for your presence and looking forward to helping you and serving you.